The burning sensation in your feet isn't a simple fire. Let me tell you, it's your nerves slowly and silently dying. Without a sound, without a clear warning, and what's most frightening, let me explain. Most people don't realize what's happening to them until it's too late. Tingling in the feet, numbness, a feeling of pins and needles. You can't sleep at night because the burning sensation in the feet persists. Before you start the video, subscribe to the channel because this information will help you. This is very important for you. Listen carefully. These aren't minor symptoms. They're signs of neuropathy. And if you're hearing this, chances are you're already experiencing them. But there's a truth you probably haven't been told yet. I'm telling you, there are things in your kitchen, right in your refrigerator, that can strengthen these weakening nerves again. And this isn't just a guess, it's based on science. Research has found that people who include just 5 things in their diet can strengthen their nerves again. The signal can start flowing. The pain gradually subsides, the irritation decreases. And most importantly, the nerves begin to repair themselves. Today, I'm going to tell you those 5 things. Just 5, no expensive supplements, no medications, no complicated diet plans. Just 5 simple things you can find everywhere. But there's one condition. Listen carefully. If you ignore even one of these 5, the effect of the other 4 will be halved. Because these 5 things work together like a system. One without the other. It's incomplete. And here's something that might surprise you. 2 of these 5 things are not edible, but rather alcoholic, and one of them is a drink you probably never imagined could be so effective for your nerves. So, let's get started. But before that, let me explain what actually happens inside your body with neuropathy. Because until you understand this, you won't be able to feel the true power of these 5 things. Look, the nerves in your feet are very thin. Thinner than a hair. Above them is there's a covering called myelin sheath. Think of it like the plastic covering over an electrical wire. As long as this covering is intact, signals travel smoothly. The brain receives accurate messages about whether the foot is on the ground, whether it's hot or cold, or whether it's painful. But when this covering starts to deteriorate, the signals become distorted. The brain begins to receive incorrect messages. Sometimes you feel a burning sensation when there's actually no burning sensation. Sometimes your feet become numb because the signal isn't reaching you. Now the question arises, why is this covering damaged? Why does this happen? Let me tell you. There are 3 things that cause the most damage to your nerves. First, high blood sugar. Second, inflammation. And third, oxidative stress. This means that if your blood sugar is high, your nerves are gradually deteriorating. If there is inflammation in the body, the nerves are affected internally, and if there are too many free radicals, your nerves are rusting, just like iron rusts. Now think for yourself, when these 3 things together are damaging your nerves, then only painkillers can help. Take it. Is it really a solution? Let me explain. If the water pipe in your house is leaking and you just keep cleaning the floor, will the leakage stop? No, right? Absolutely. Similarly, medicines only provide superficial relief. The real problem lies inside, and these 5 things, which I am going to tell you about, work to cure that real problem. Now, let's start with the first thing, and perhaps the most important too. Eggs. Yes, it sounds very simple. But I will tell you, if someone asks me that just 1 egg can cure neuropathy, what should I eat? My answer would be eggs. The reason is vitamin B1. Listen carefully. Vitamin B1 is essential for the formation of the myelin sheath that covers your nerves. Without B1, that sheath won't form. And if the sheath doesn't form, how will nerves repair themselves? 1 egg contains about 0.6 micrograms of B1. Eating 2 eggs daily provides a good portion of your daily needs. But eggs' benefits aren't limited to just B1. They also contain B6, which is essential for nerve signaling. It also contains folate. Eggs contain vitamin B1, which helps create new cells, and choline, which is crucial because choline forms acetylcholine, the primary messenger in your nerves. Eggs also contain healthy fats, which serve as raw materials for repairing myelin sheaths. This means that 1 egg provides you with B1, B6, choline, and healthy fats, so much so that even expensive supplements can't match it. But here's a very important point. If you're taking metformin for diabetes, listen carefully. This medication It can reduce your body's absorption of vitamin B12. This means you're eating food, but essential nutrients aren't reaching your body properly. In such a situation, eggs become even more important. And yes, eat the whole egg. Not just the white part, because B12, choline, and healthy fats are all in the yolk. If you remove the yolk, you've removed the most important part. But eggs alone aren't enough, because eggs provide the building blocks for nerve growth. But something else is also necessary to transport that material to your nerves, and that's the second thing is something most people associate only with heart health. But it's actually just as important for your veins. Let me tell you. The second thing is fish, and especially fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, or if those aren't readily available, rohu and katla can also work. Listen carefully. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3 protects your veins in two ways. First, it reduces inflammation. Remember? I told you that one of the three things that damages your veins is. There's also inflammation. The inflammation that occurs inside your body, invisible from the outside, is weakening your nerves from within. Omega-3 calms that inflammation, just like pouring water on a fire. Omega-3 directly helps repair myelin sheaths. The covering that protects your nerves is made of fat, and omega-3 is the healthy fat that can strengthen that covering again. One study found that people who ate fatty fish 3 times a week experienced a significant reduction in nerve pain, and this didn't last for years. I couldn't wait. I started seeing a difference in just a few weeks. So try to eat fish at least 3 times a week. And if you can't eat fish, let me tell you, you can eat walnuts. You can take flax seeds. These also contain omega-3. Maybe not as effective as fish, but it's better than nothing. Now, in third place is the drink I mentioned at the beginning, the drink you won't believe when you hear about it. Let me tell you. The third thing is turmeric milk. Yes, the same golden milk. The one your grandmother used to give you. But listen carefully. This isn't just a home remedy. There's strong science behind it. Turmeric contains curcumin, and curcumin is such a powerful anti-inflammatory that several studies have shown it to be as effective as some medications. But it has a special effect on nerves that very few people know. Curcumin increases nerve growth factor. This means it signals your body to make new nerves and repair old nerves. So it not only reduces pain but also improves your immune system. It signals nerve regrowth. But here's a very important point. If you consume turmeric alone, its absorption will be very low. Therefore, 2 things are essential with it. First, black pepper. Just a pinch of black pepper can increase curcumin absorption by 2,000%. And second, fat. That's why taking turmeric with milk is the most effective method. Milk has fat, turmeric has curcumin, and black pepper opens its path. So, a glass of turmeric milk with a pinch of black pepper before bed is all it takes, and it will improve your sleep. It will also improve your condition. Because when inflammation subsides, the burning sensation in your feet at night will also subside. Now, let me tell you about the fourth item. Seeing this, you might think that it's always in front of you, but you don't eat it, and this mistake is taking a toll on your veins. Number 4 is spinach. Yes, the same green leafy vegetable that often sits in your refrigerator, but you ignore it. Listen carefully. Spinach is a powerhouse for your veins, and there are not just one but many reasons for this. First, spinach contains alpha-lipoic acid. It's an acid. Remember this name because it's very important. Alpha-lipoic acid has been studied in several large clinical trials. It was found to reduce neuropathy pain and inflammation by 30% to 50%, and spinach is a natural source. Spinach also contains magnesium, which is essential for nerve signaling. It contains folate, which helps create new cells, and vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Remember the third thing that damages nerves? Oxidative stress, the corrosion that damages it is slowly damaging the nerves. Vitamin C works to clean that rust. So spinach is doing many things simultaneously. It is reducing inflammation. It is fighting rust and also providing the necessary nutrition for repairing the nerves. But here is one mistake many people make. They cook spinach too much, on high flame for a long time, due to which most of its nutrients are lost. Therefore, cook spinach lightly or eat it in salad or mix it in smoothie and include it at least 4 to 5 times a week. Now, just try to combine everything once. Eggs have given you building material. The fish reduced inflammation and repaired the lining. The turmeric milk provided a growth signal. The spinach cleaned the rust. But there's still one link left. A link without which all these things won't be able to show their full effect. And the fifth thing may seem simple to you, but let me tell you, its effect is not simple at all. At number 5 is beetroot juice. Yes, the same dark red vegetable that most people forget after adding it to salads. But when its juice enters your body, it works wonders. Beetroot contains nitrates, and when nitrate enters your body, it turns into nitric oxide. Now listen carefully. What does this nitric oxide do? It widens your blood vessels. This means that blood that previously couldn't reach your legs properly now reaches them easily. More blood means more oxygen. More oxygen means your veins are getting the energy they need to survive and heal. Imagine, eggs provided you with building materials. Fish prevented inflammation. Turmeric provided growth signals. Spinach cleared the rust. But if the blood isn't reaching your veins, how will all this work? Beetroot juice opens the very pathways through which all this nutrition can reach your veins. So, a glass of beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. Just this one step, and you'll gradually see the difference. Now, understand the entire plan once. 2 eggs daily, 3 times a week, fish, turmeric milk with black pepper at night, 4 to 5 times a week, spinach, and a glass of beetroot juice every morning. Just these 5 things, no expensive supplements, no complicated diets, but one word. Remember to be consistent, every day, every week, without skipping a beat, because nerves don't heal overnight. They heal gradually. But when they start to heal, you'll feel it. First, the burning will subside, then the tingling, and that feeling of emptiness that seemed to last forever will gradually disappear. Your feet will feel the ground again. Neuropathy isn't a punishment. It's a challenge, and now you have a plan to combat it. If you found this information helpful, please like it. Your like helps spread this important information to more people. It can help. Share it. Your one share may ease someone's suffering. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving such valuable and accurate information. Most importantly, always consult your doctor. Especially if you're taking medication or experiencing a serious condition, take care of yourself because your health is most precious.